Yep, there it is. LP 750-4SV. This surprisingly doesn't have the SV line, but good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is 6 a.m. in the morning. Just had a few hours of sleep, but today is Coffee and Cars here in Houston, and it is the first time that I'm going to be able to take the G8 running, making all the great noises, and enjoy the show. There is about a 20 to 50% chance of rain today, so hopefully it doesn't rain, because these drag radios are not the best in the rain. But it should be a great time. Still pretty early, but we'll get there. Go ahead and get to the gas station. We do have a little meetup where I'm going to be meeting up with one or two other G8s, and then we're going to be cruising down to Cars and Coffee, or the Coffee and Cars, sorry. Everywhere else is Cars and Coffee, but here in Houston it's Coffee and Cars. And hopefully there's some great cars, and I'll be able to show you guys all the awesome cars, unique cars that we see out there. And even, I believe it's a Ferrari month or something like that, so there should be some pretty unique and awesome Ferraris, some LaFerraris or something, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. But first, a nice cold startup. She sounds pretty. Alright guys, so I'm here at what we call AMC. It's a popular meetup right down the street from my house, and I'm just waiting for maybe one or two more G8s to show up. But I wanted to kind of show you guys again our fix, and hopefully this will take care of everything. But I've put a new coupler, all new clamps, and definitely way more space now. Before it was a lot closer, so we fixed that. And as you can see, I actually use an offset coupler, so inlet is offset from the outlet to allow this thing to kind of shift it over about a ½ an inch, which I think is going to be more than enough to kind of prevent my issue from happening again. So hopefully that takes care of everything that is going on with the piping and the cutting and gashing, so that next time I go to the track it can do a little better. This car probably, as it sits, does have a good 11.2 to 11.4 second pass in it with that low boost, so that's actually really good, and I'm pretty happy about that. What do you guys think? Is that a good number, or am I missing something? Should it be faster? Should it be less? Let me know in the comments, guys. Alright guys, we are here at Coffee and Cars. You guys can see cars as far as the eye can see. So the car's made in one piece. So now let's go walk around and see what awesome cars we can find for you guys. Look at all these cars. Got a nice little 307 Camaro. That looks nice. You get all kinds of cars here. Check this out, guys. That's a nice car. We got the SS's here. So that little bumper there, it's like a little guard. I actually got one of the, not this exact one, but something similar on order for my SS. So hopefully that it's coming in about a week, I think. But we'll see how that looks. I like this. It doesn't look bad at all. This one's got the hold in with the blackout kit. I think that's something I definitely want to do to mine. Got a bunch of them, all of them with the blackout. All have Rotofabs. Rotofabs are pretty popular, I guess. We got another one with a small little lip. Bunch of SS's today. All right, I like that. We got a Cobra replica, more than likely. Buddy's G8, all nice and canned. Bunch of Type R's. Couldn't even find these at the dealerships, and here you got them all lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Type R's. 6 Type R's. Check this thing out, guys. It's called the F-150 Thunder, and it had a Roush supercharger, 5.0 supercharged. Check out the valve covers. It says bleep send it. That's IVTS 430 Scuderia. Now this thing is awesome. Carbon fiber all over the place. You guys can see carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Basically carbon fiber overload on these. 458, 488 I believe. This is a 488 as well. Oh yeah. The new V8 twin turbo Ferraris. What do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. This one's got all the carbon fiber bits. That is awesome. Carbon fiber inlay on the side. Definitely like the carbon fiber. And you know what? I haven't noticed this, but check out the air gap in the front bumper. That's crazy. Like a ruby red. I believe this is an SV. SV's had these locking wheels. And yep, there it is. LP 750-4 SV. This surprisingly doesn't have the SV line, but it's got this dry carbon everywhere. You'll see all the dry carbon fiber shears, carbon fiber splitter, diffuser. Definitely looks awesome. Definitely looks awesome. I'm not that big of a fan of the carbon fiber dry or whatever they call it, but you can see it's even down here in the front. Here we've got another wrapped, looks like on bags. Looks like they actually race this. This seems like, oh yeah, definitely. This is one of those track only like challenge cars, I believe. Check that out.
Oh, I saw cars with
Ferrari challenge car. That is awesome. Jeez, look at that. Got the air, those ducts all on the side, probably to vent out some air. This is crazy. Always love these cars. This is one of the 2004, 2006 versions. Full manual, no assist. Got Got a rear-mounted supercharged 5.4 liter V8. And look at where the plates are from. That's funny. Drove a long way to come to Coffee and Cars. But beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's definitely awesome. 570S Spider, and this one's carbon overload for sure. Got carbon fiber bowl things, carbon fiber door inlays, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber sides, skirts, carbon fiber back, carbon fiber everywhere. The whole back end's carbon fiber. Definitely one of the more spec'd out, optioned out ones with carbon fiber everywhere. Dry carbon inside. Awesome, awesome. How much is one of these going to set you back? Well, when it's all said and done, you're looking at $292,000. I think this would be a perfect first supercar for somebody. The dual clutch, but still, this is awesome. I would totally want to have this. This is awesome. Definitely something I would love to own. Alright guys, walked around. This is what we got so far. It's still very early. I'm sure there's going to be more cars rolling around, but so far, I mean, you guys can see there's a lot of amazing cars out here, and right now let's head on back and see if we can see some more people and meet people, and hopefully I hope people like my car, but yeah, we'll see how everything else goes. Check it out guys, this is how crazy this car show is. We were just way back over there with all the exotic cars, and here you just have a demon just hanging out in the middle of all the other cars. This scoop is ridiculous. Look at that. That scoop is insane. You also have air inlets in there
I did one lady
on both sides. That's crazy. And just like you have the demon right across, you just have a random ZL1 1LE hanging out. This thing is awesome. I would love to have one of these. My next car is definitely going to be a manual, and this is the perfect car to get for that. Looks crazy. This is, oh yeah, look at that. Definitely getting a manual next, hopefully, and that is on the list. That is one that I would love to get. Check out the 458 Spider. But that, look at that, guys. Novitec exhaust, Aventador. Don't know that, do not think it's an SV. It's just a regular Aventador, but they've done some nice modifications to it. Sounds ridiculous. Check it out. Yeah, see, this is not an SV, but it's got some kind of body kit on it. It is insane. Carbon fiber everywhere. So now we get to the curious part where, damn, I sound like Stradman here, but I'm sure other YouTubers are gonna kind of understand this, but when you're trying to eat and vlog at the same time, it is not that easy. I've got cookies in my hand, I've got the gimbal holding the camera on the other, and I've got my water in my pocket. So yeah, definitely a lot harder to do this. Woo! Check this out, guys. There you go, Stradman. Murcielago, that mercy, Lord have mercy. And whatever this is, Ferrari, California or whatever. Yeah. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. Which one would you guys take? The LaFerrari or the F12? I think the F12. I would take the F12. Be able to drive that a lot more than I would the LaFerrari. They're so nice. Woo! So the sun just came out in full force. It is getting hot out here. Well, guys, Coffee and Cars was a success. We are on our way back home. Saw a bunch of great cars, had a great time meeting some people, and I can't wait for the next one. But until next time, I hope you guys are having a great time. You guys are enjoying yourselves, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching these cars that came out here. Had an awesome time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the show. Did you guys like the way that I did it and the way I recorded things? Let me know what you would like to see, how you would like to see it, things like that. But until next time, guys, I hope you guys enjoy yourselves, have a great time, and keep on smiling.